one of the pitches we're looking to add to our repertoire when we face, certain batters is pacritinib. So pacritinib in the PERSIST studies, as well as the PAC-203 studies, was given to patients with very low platelet counts less than 50,000. If you look at the package insert for both ruxolitinib and fedratinib, there is no guidance on how to dose those patients. There have been 2 small studies done with ruxolitinib at a very low dose in patients who have platelet counts less than 50,000, but the responses were quite modest in that population. So having an agent that can supply significant JAK inhibition in thrombocytopenic patients safely is certainly something that could change the lives of those patients. For right now, there is no drug for those folks that we would standardly give, perhaps outside of ruxolitinib given off-label or other clinical trials. So I think pacritinib, if approved in the future, based on this rolling new drug application that has been submitted, really could serve the need for that population that does not have a direct therapeutic as of today.